I'm gonna give you 3 foods. Ready? Put your tongue out. This is the first one. It's not that bad.
Wait, are the other ones bad?
No.
Stop doing this to the poor kid.
Tell me what it is. It's not even that bad.
It's an onion.
Here.
It's burning my throat.
Hold this. Just on Haley.
Oh my god.
Okay, I gotta get the next one.
Oh my god.
Just turned it.
Hi, Haley.
Hi.
You have long hair.
Thanks. I'm not ready for what is next. Can you give me a piece of bread?
You don't deserve a piece of bread right now.
Because bread gets rid of like the taste in your mouth or something like that.
So does soda.
Can you get me a piece of bread? So I can fully taste the next
Julia,
object.
get her bread. Okay, are you ready for the next one? Two. Are you ready for the next one?
No, I eat a piece of bread first.
Hope these are just cookies.
It doesn't matter.
Oh my gosh.
Julie, does she have what's in her hand for next?
What?
Is it safe, the next thing she's giving me?
Yes. And we used it the other night.
Okay, ready?
Wait.
Oh wait, last night, actually.
Okay.
So it's gonna be tricky.
I personally like this one.
I have a feeling I know what it is.
Hell! Oh my god!
Mommy, hold it.
Ellen texted you.
Who?
Ellen.
Okay.
You ready? You ready? Open your tongue. All the way out. This one's okay. What does this think? Yummy white stuff. Here.
Are it sour cream?
Yeah.
See, that one wasn't too deathly.
I wasn't expecting a liquid.
It was not a liquid. That was a solid.
It's more a liquid than a solid.
Isn't a solid supposed to be solid? Oh, Justin, do that.
You cannot identify with the object. You're not allowed to put it in my mouth.
What?
If you are unable to identify the object, you're not allowed to put it in my mouth.
Shut up.
Me?
Julia.
Oh.
I don't want to do that.
I have a good idea.
I got a better idea.
Haley, Haley,
What?
Haley, Haley. Down on. Okay. Yes, this is my hand.
Ah. You ready? Ready for the next one?
Julie, is it safe?
Yes, totally.
I don't trust your voice.
It is safe.
I would eat it.
You would eat it?
Maybe.
I would eat it. I used to eat it when I was little. Good, right?
Do you need like help wiping your face off?
Where did this come from?
My butthole.
Is it butter?
Yeah.
Or just saying butter?
Yeah. Oh, now I'll eat it because it's just butter.
Out, you can.
Stop. Okay, I think we're done.